And in the last class, we have just simplified all the three equations, equation 1, 2, and 3. Equation 1, equation 2 are of constraints more than or equal to. Equation 3 is less than or equal to. You can just consider that. Equation 1 is equation 1. Equation 1, it is okay. Line AB is more than or equal to. More than or equal to. That is the condition. Sorry, line AB. Line AB.
Sir, it's correct.
Yeah?
Yours
Okay.
is correct, sir.
Okay, thank you very much. Okay, line AB, first equation. Okay, we say AB, that is equal to first equation, equation 1. Okay, equation 1 will be more than, 1 second, more than or equal to. Next, line CD. Next, CD. CD is equal to equation 2. Now equation 2 again, okay, that is more than or equal to. 1 second. There is some network issue here. Network is not fast. I am not able to. Okay. Send my comments immediately. It is taking so much of time. Yeah. I would write. Now, if we say the last line, EF is equal to equation 3. Okay, that equation 3, that is equal to less than or equal to. Okay, if you notice these three constraints, you can easily identify the feasible area. And I have marked this feasible area as 50, 150, 125, 75, 275, and 40. Okay, don't bother about these numbers. Okay, instead of marking these as LMN, you may have marked something else. Don't bother about that. Okay, you tell me whether all of you got the same numbers. 50, 150, have you got the coordinate? Hello? 50, 150, you got the point?
Sir, yes, but I got 51. 51 and
leave
50.
it. 1 and 2, don't worry.
Okay.
Okay. Have you got the point?
Yes,
take
sir.
You take it as 150. Have you got
Okay,
51? Have you got the point? 50, 150, have you got the point? Coordinates? Name you, whatever may be the naming that you can give.
Yes,
That is
sir.
hello, anybody else? Anybody else having some different answer? Only Mohammed is answering.
No, sir,
Hello.
same.
Same, no problem. Okay, I can continue with confidence, right?
Yes, sir.
What my concern is that if you got any other different answers, okay, then we need to check the graph. Either you may be right, or I may be right, or you may be wrong, or I may be wrong. We need to clarify. That's what my concern is. I want somebody else to check it again. Okay, maybe for Rakshita or Pradipta or this Hritik Naidu or Raman or somebody else, I have to give some homework. Okay, all these coordinates are right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Rakshita?
Yes, sir. Same answer, sir, I got.
Okay, good then. Aman, you got the same points? Aman, you're there in the
Yes,
group
sir.
or not? Yeah, you got the same points, right?
Yes, sir.
Ultimate answer 70,000, 55,000 and 71,000. You got the same thing?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, then copy the slide. Copy the slide straight away. Take the...
Sir,
Yeah, hello, tell me.
sir, if it's different, like by one number or two till five, it's okay, right?
You take my slide only.
Okay, okay,
Because
but
of
it's
that,
okay in the exam.
yeah. Why in
Okay,
the
sir.
exam, don't worry.
Okay,
Okay, one or two numbers doesn't make any much difference.
okay, sir. Okay.
You should be able to read the graph rightly, and you should take the scale properly. I read it once again. Okay, point L 50 150, point M 125 75, point N 275 and 40, and as per the objective function, Z minimum is equal to 200x1 plus 400x2. As per our equation, Z minimum is equal to 200 x1. One second, please let me give you some time. Okay, my network is slow today. I cannot post the things immediately to your chat box. It is taking some time. 200 x1 plus 400 x2. Yeah, now it's fine. Now, by just substituting the values here, first one you have to take it as x1, and the second one you have to take it as x2. Okay, this is nothing but x1 is equal to Rutvik. If you are not interested to listen to me, you can just get lost. If you have any questions, you can ask me. Unnecessary, don't create the noise. Not even once you are communicating with me.
Yes, sir. Automatic on ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Sorry, sir.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಒಂದ್ ಸರ್ತಿ ಆದ್ರೂ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ಯಾ, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಥವಾ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಒಂದ್ ಸರ್ತಿ ಆದ್ರೂ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಕಳ್ಸಿದ್ಯಾ? ಈಗ ಹಾಕಿರೋ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಕಳ್ಸೋ ಇಮೇಜ್ಗೆ.
ಹಾ ಸರ್, ಅದು ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಸರ್. ವಾಪಸ್ ಏನಾರ ಮೈಕ್ ಆನ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾರಿ ಸರ್.
No, you are creating problem to others also.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಸಾರಿ ಸರ್, ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
Okay.
ಫೋನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್.
Okay, x1 is equal to x-axis, or x1 is equal to x, x2 is equal to y. Like that, you have to read the coordinates as x comma y. This is what exactly the concept is. Now here, x comma y, okay, that is 50 150, 125 75, 275 40, and if you replace the x1 as x and x2 as y, you can change z minimum also 200 x plus 400 y. Okay, all these things are you can decide on your common sense. Now the ultimate solution is this: z minimum is equal to 55,000 rupees at x1 is equal to 125 and x2 is equal to 75 units. Now take the conclusion. Take the conclusion, all of you. That the minimum is equal to 55,000 rupees at x1 is equal to 125 units. x2 is equal to 75 units. Therefore, the company can purchase 125 quintals of scrap from supplier A and 75 quintals of scrap from supplier B. This is the conclusion. Hence, the company can decide its procurement policy as, write down this, hence, the company can decide its procurement policy as to purchase what is the X1? 125 quintals of scrap from supplier A. Now, 75 quintals from supplier B. It is matching our overall requirement. And if you go to your first slide where exactly the problem is dictated, the first line itself says that can purchase minimum 200 quintals ತಗೋಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay, because of all other constraints we are getting, okay, supplier A 125, supplier B 75. Okay, this minimum condition is matched. Okay, it is not coming less than 200. If you add A plus B, okay, that should be, okay, at least that is maybe equal to 200, maybe more than, okay, 200. That's what the condition we have taken, and now that is coming it as equal to 200 quintals. Okay, getting my point? Okay, look at the first line of the problem. Can purchase minimum 200 quintals, at least 200 quintals. Okay, now if you add the total purchase, okay, it is not exceeding 200 quintals. If you consider the total purchase of scrap, it is not increased, it is not more than, or it is not less than 200 quintals. It is exactly equal to, rather it is equal to 200 quintals. That is 125 from A plus 75 from B. Understood? Any questions?
No, sir. Sir?
Yeah.
Is it like necessary to write the conclusion that hence the company want to buy?
Yeah, you have to write the conclusion. This is a 15 marks problem, man. Okay, after calculating all these things, you need to give 1 line or 2 line conclusion.
Okay, sir.
Okay, you can look at my last slide or last slide of this problem. Look at this. There is 2 lines, conclusion. Therefore, this is the conclusion part.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah,
So
understood?
I wrote. Yes, sir.
Okay. Not only you, everyone should write it. Hello, can I take any questions? Pradipta,
Yes, sir.
Mayur?
One more question only.
Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, one more question I said.
Okay, you have any other question to clarify?
No, sir. Continue.
Okay, I can go for the next one.
Yes,
Okay, any
sir.
other people
Please.
having any queries? Nivedita, Nishka, Pradipta, Pratika, Rajat, Shreya, Tejas, Yashaswini, Aman, Honesh, Hrithik. You have
Yes.
got your mic problem. You can okay, put your feedback in the chat box. Shall I continue with the next one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Write down this problem. Rakshita, send this problem to my WhatsApp group, man. Okay, take the big picture of it and send it to me. Rakshita? Rakshita? Maybe she's
Yes,
not.
sir.
Yeah, okay.
No, sir.
Take the big picture of it and send it to my WhatsApp. I'll put it in the WhatsApp group. Let them copy. I read it. A small manufacturer employs 5 skilled men and 10 semi-skilled men for making a product of 2 qualities. Okay, a special material and an ordinary material. Quality, there are 2 different qualities of products. One is with the special material, another is with an ordinary material. The production of a special model product requires 2 hours of skilled labors and 1 hour of semi-skilled labor time, and the ordinary model requires 1 hour of skilled man hour of time and 4 hours of semi-skilled man hour time. According to the labor law regulations, no man can work more than 8 hours per day. According to labor law regulations, no man can work more than 8 hours a day. 8 hours per day. That is the shift timings. Okay. The profit of each special model product is rupees 10 per unit and that of ordinary model is rupees 8. Formulate the LPP and determine the number of products of special and ordinary qualities to be manufactured, okay, in order to maximize the profit. Okay, write down this. I'll put it in the big screen. Okay, those who are able to see the slide, you can copy this. Other one, you can look at your WhatsApp group and okay, copy the same. One second, I'm just putting this problem to your WhatsApp group. Okay, you can copy this. Have you understood the problem? Formulate the equations and send it to me.
Sorry, it's little confusing.
Tell me. What is that your confusion? First, you write down the problem. Complete the rating of it. Then I'll address.
Okay, sir.
complete this rating of the problem, all of you. Then you tell me whether you have understood the problem or not. Take some 5 minutes to read and digest it. Copied? Hello? ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ನ?
Yes, sir, copied.
Yeah. Wait a moment. I'll show you the equations. Probably then you could, maybe it will be easy for you to make out. Look at this. Look at the adjustment here. Look at the solution part. This is how
Yes, sir.
exactly you need to apply your logical mind, logical reasoning. Reasoning is very much important. 1 week time, 1 week. That this is about a 1 week production schedule. From the given set of information, it is identified that maximum skilled man hours available in week. Sorry, yeah. That is 8 hours, and there are 5 people. Not mentioned about the weeks like. Okay, it is about mentioned like man hours. 5 people are available and 8 hours they can work, and that is 40 hours. And the semi-skilled man hours available, that is 80. 8 hours, and there are 10 of such people. Okay, write down this and write down not this corner points. Okay, don't take this as corner points. Okay, delete that and take this table. And I can explain by using this table. Okay, so that okay, you can decide about your decision variables. I am multiplying number of hours into the number of people available. 8 into 5 and then 8 into 10. Understood? Special quality material, special quality product, ordinary product, correct. Ordinary quality product. Skilled labor, semi-skilled labor. Profit for special quality 10 rupees per unit, ordinary quality 8 rupees per unit. Okay, special quality skilled and semi-skilled. Okay, they can spend 2 hours and then 1 hour. For ordinary quality, skilled and semi-skilled. Okay, 1 hour and then 4 hours. Okay, based on the data, I have set the table here and the total available man hours 40 and 80. Complete this table. Have you understood the table?
Yes, sir.
Any questions from anyone? Hello. We are going to close chapter 2 shortly, maybe by this weekend or so. Okay, from next week onwards, we are commencing with chapter 3. LPP is almost at the point of its closing. Another 2 or 3 problems I may solve. Okay. ಯಾರು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ಎಷ್ಟನೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದು ರಕ್ಷಿತಾ? This is how many problems you solved totally, including the previous one also?
Sir, I think 7. For
This
this,
is 7th problem or 8th problem?
7, I don't know, sir. Maybe 7 or 8.
Okay, maybe 7 or 8. Okay,
For
another
this
3 or 4 we can. I'm going to help you. Okay, after that you have to develop your own sense of reasoning and then the knowledge to apply the learning. Samson is not there. Sanchan, Samson, Pradipta, Nivedita. ನಿಮ್ ತಲೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. You have to use your brain bit. Aman, you have followed? Alfred?
Yes,
Alfred,
sir.
have you followed? Hrithik Kumar, Jayant, Kiran, 20 ಜನ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ, ಇರೋ 50-60 ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ನು ಉಳಿದವ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? By August or September end, you may have the examinations. By August last week or September midweek, probably you may have to write the examinations also. Already some faculties have received paper setting guidelines too. Be ready for that. Yeah. Next. Okay, write down this. I have taken X and Y as the special and ordinary quality products we manufactured in order to maximize the profit. Copy this slide. It is just similar to that of the previous one, man. ಒಂದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಏನು ಕ್ವಶ್ಚನ್, ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. Total available time is one is for 40 and is for 80 hours, man hours. We cannot exceed. Therefore, it is the condition less than or equal to. Inequalities are less than or equal to. First equation. Or I can say first Z maximum nx plus 8y You know what is X and what is Y? X is for special and Y is for ordinary product. Subjected to the constraints. ST is subjected to the constraints. 2x plus 1y less than or equal to 40, because the maximum available time is 40 hours. There is some labor law regulations. Okay, you cannot allow people to work more than 8 hours a day. And taking that condition into account and multiplying the number of people available for your disposal, okay, you will get only 40 for what is called as skilled, and next one is for semi-skilled. The second equation is 1x plus 4y less than or equal to 80. Rest and all same. X more than or equal to 0. This is non-negative general constraints. Y more than or equal to 0. Okay, these two are non-negative general constraints. These two are non-negative general constraints. Now you will get two lines. One is AB, another is CD. Equation 1, you can have line AB. Equation 1. Okay, you can write it as line AB. Equation 2. You can have the line CD. Okay. Next is okay, this is what exactly are equation 2. Okay, copy this slide. Copy this slide. Two x is equal to 40 antandre x is equal to 40 by 2. Equation 1 ge 2x is equal to 40 means x is equal to 40 divided by 2. That is equal to 20. Shall I go to the next slide? Now this is for CD line. 1x plus 4y is equal to 80. Any questions? Hello, any questions, man?
No, sir.
Anybody else? Rutvik, any question ideyana? Rutvik Bharadwaj. Hello. It's 1:45. This is a simple case, and draw the lines, and this how exactly you'll get. Both are less than, and you'll get this, the corner area as the feasible points or the feasible area. And this how exactly it looks like after plotting the graph, and after identifying the feasible area, AB less than, CD less than, and you will just the corner area nearest to your x and y axis, that is called as feasible area. Now you can, after, so somebody send me the graph and their points. Okay, those are interested very much can go back and check it once. Okay, whether everything is right or wrong, or have you taken the things in a right manner. Okay, meanwhile, if you have any questions, you can stop me in between. Hello.
Okay, sir.
Analyze the problem from the beginning if you have any questions. Okay, this is Z maximum. 234 is the answer. Am I right? All my coordinates are right? All my values are right, or is there any difference?
We are solving, sir. Wait, just.
Okay.
So this question, Bakka, it will come in part A for 15 marks.
100%.
This linear program, right?
Yeah, linear programming. Section A, question number 2 is LPP graphical method. 15 marks. Somebody send me the graph. Send me the graph, please. Yes. Yeah. This is ACB you have taken. It's all left to you. How we are going to mark it. Aman, all my coordinate values are right? Especially this intersecting point, 13,
Sir.
13.
So I got 12, 17, sir.
12, 17. Okay. You are not doing it in a graph sheet.
Yes, sir. But I solved the equations and I got it. Sir.
Okay. You are doing the other alternate method.
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. Yeah. Whatever the answer that you got it. Okay. But only thing is you need to take the answers. Okay. That to get from graph, not from the equations.
Okay, sir.
Any questions? Anyone? Hello. Pratika. I don't know whether she is there or not. Yashaswini. Please send me the graph, Yashaswini, if you have done it. ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಈ ವೈಟ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇದು ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ವೇರಿಯೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ, ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ. We have left with another 6 or 7 minutes ಅಷ್ಟೇ. I'll take another 15-20 minutes, but not today. Tomorrow I'll explain it. Tomorrow I think I don't have your class. Next Monday. By another 1 week, okay, you'll be. I'm going to close this unit, complete this chapter, and the third unit, decision theory, will be started. Okay, somewhere in the first week of July. Decision theory. Rakshita, share the graph. You have done it. Kritik, share the graph. Nishka, share the graph. Nivedita, share the graph. Pradipta, share the graph. Honesh, Alfred, Jayant, Manisha, Rajat. Please share your graphs, man, so that I can check it. Okay, good. What is your L? Can you read and tell me, Yashaswini? The intersecting point L. CLB. What is your value of L? Is it 13 or something else?
Sir, I got 12 and 17.
12 and 17. Okay, good. Then you take that 12 and 17. Okay, Aman is also getting the same answer. Okay, first it is X is 12 and Y is 17.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then you can consider this. Okay, don't take this 13 and 13. L you can try and write down 12, 17. Now, therefore, Z maximum is equal to, consider these values. Okay, maybe I did a small error in counting the number of units in my graph. Okay, Z maximum is equal to 10x plus 8y. Now that is equal to 10, x is 12, plus 8, y is 17. 120 plus 17 into 8, how much? 17 tables. $136. 120 plus 136. That is 256. That is your Z maximum. Therefore, Z maximum, or I can say profit maximum, is equal to 256 units at x is equal to 12 units and y is equal to 17 units. Therefore, now conclusion I can write. Conclusion, therefore, the manufacturer can have his production schedule to produce 12 units of special category products and 17 units of special quality, not category. And 17 units of ordinary quality. Products respectively to maximize the profit. Okay, and below that, Z maximum, profit maximum is equal to $256. I say everything is in rupees, right? Simply I can write units only. 256 units. It is applicable in general. 256 units. It is applicable in general. Any questions? Please wait a moment. I'll take down your attendance. One second. Please stay there. Yeah. Shall I close it? Hello? Any questions?
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah. Hello. Tell me.
Sir, I got L 11 and 18.
11 and 18. What is the total answer of Z maximum?
Oh, sir, I'm still doing.
No problem. I can continue for another 5 minutes. Don't worry. I am
It's
going to
okay.
extend it for 250.
The next class, can I tell?
No problem. Now not possible.
No, sir. Everyone will have to wait again.
But you are concerned about other people's stay. Okay. That's fine then. Okay. Next class it takes. Okay. You have to wait till Monday. Okay. Please stay there for another 5 minutes, all of you, if you're agreeing. Can you stay for 4 minutes? Hello? 5 minutes maximum? Can you stay for another 5 minutes more?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please, Pradipta, work fast and tell me what's your Z max. 5 minutes, okay, not a problem at all. 5 minutes. Now it is 1 o'clock, 4 minutes, 37 seconds. I leave you by 1 o'clock, 10 minutes maximum, not more than that. I think 5 minutes is enough to simplify. Oh, you can only tell me that the L part. Rest you can simplify. Those things are not significant for us. Only that point L is significant. You tell me what is your final answer. Anybody else getting some different answers? Pritika classic bandilva ivattu. Pritika is not there. She is there or not? Nivedita. Nivedita is not responding.
Sir,
Hello?
I get L equals 254.
254. That is the maximum, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. 254, 255, 256 doesn't matter. You write your same answer. Don't worry. Don't worry about the variations of 1 or 2 units. That's what Abdullah was worried since from the beginning. Okay. Again, the same assurance from my end. Don't worry about the variations of 1 or 2 units. That doesn't matter much. Okay. But maximum should be at the same point. The corner point should not vary. L maximum badlige you cannot get maximum at B. Other variation agutte. But these 1 or 2 units, okay, not a problem. Right?
Okay, sir.
Okay, I think I hope you got my point, right, Pradipta?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Happy?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay, then any questions? Shall I close it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, see you then. Bye.
Thank you, sir.